Hey, funnel builders, Mike Killen here from Sell Your Service. And I've been doing a lot of research, emailing you guys a lot, been off. And I want to give you two things in this free training program. First of all, I want to give you a roadmap to what it looks like to build a $100,000 a year plus business. That's per year. And also, critically, only work 3 to 4 days a week. And previously I'd been kind of racking my brains about this, and I think the landscape has shifted somewhat in terms of how we can accomplish this. And I've been asking you guys a bunch of questions. I've been surveying you, I've been doing it on social media via emails, having conversations. And to me, it seems the number one thing missing from your kind of repertoire is basically the ability to attract high ticket clients, right? These are clients who are going to be spending $10,000 plus with you. And I ask you, like, what is preventing you from getting these clients? Is it confidence? Is it sales ability? And it's none of that. And something hit me in the face and I couldn't believe how simple it was. Get results. Almost everyone I spoke to, and if you feel opposite, by the way, comment below, and I'd love to hear more, but almost every single one of you said to me that the biggest thing you're facing when it comes to getting high ticket clients is the ability to get them results. If you can get them results, you'll be able to get clients. And when you've got clients, you can get people killer results. And the problem is how you do this bit in the middle. And if you can't do these two things, this prevents you from hitting that magic 100,000 a year, and also working, let's say for the sake of argument, 3 days a week. And I want to talk about how we can break that cycle, because once you can start getting killer results, I want you to imagine what would happen if you were able to say to one client, well, I can guarantee you we can make you $100,000 because we've done it with this past client. How much easier would that sale be? And also, how much easier would it be for you to charge $25,000, for example, for the privilege of working with you when they are getting out $100,000? And I want to talk about how we can eliminate risk, how we can make guarantees around that, how we can make it so that you're not working yourself to the bone in order to get this. I'm going to go through all of this now in this video. So if you've got any questions, just let me know in the comments down below. Let's say that at the center, we've got this concept that we want to generate $100,000 worth of results. We think that if you could show, oh, I've done this for one client, that will make getting the next client way easier. And if you've done it for 2 clients, that makes getting the 3rd client much, much easier, and so on and so forth. One of the reasons you're not able to do this is because you don't have enough proof, okay? Oh, and by the way, this would then allow us to net 100,000 a year plus in revenue. Okay, I'll go through all the maths. I'll show you how. You haven't got enough proof. And if we haven't got enough proof, it's very difficult for us to get clients on board. And if we can't get clients on board, we can't get them great results. So what I want to give you is something that can guarantee results. And I do use that term literally, guarantee results. I'll show you how we do that. And the second thing that happens is you don't have a system. You don't have something that's reliable, that's repeatable. And so we need something. We basically need campaigns that work. And once we've got campaigns that work, we don't have to work as hard anymore. There's a reason that people are able to build houses so quickly, because they have a system that works. They have something that works and that gives them those guaranteed results. And then finally, something that hits me time and time again, well, not me personally, but you guys who I work with, is you say you don't have any time. And so what I want to do is show you how we can get 10x the ROI with 10% of the effort, or 10% of the time. Meaning that when you start working with these clients and putting these campaigns into practice, I'm not adding to your workload. One of my favorite stories of all time is not necessarily someone who got the highest like revenue per client or like completely revolutionized their like yearly revenue, all that happened is that before working with me, they were extremely stressed and they were earning good money. They were earning, well, the business was turning over around 350,000 a year, but they were literally working 7 days a week. They worked evenings, they obviously worked weekends, and they also worked on vacation. So whenever they did some work, they took their laptop with them. And through this process, they were able to change that into doing 350,000 a year, but only working 3 days per week, meaning they were able to take full vacations. They never worked weekends and they never worked evenings. They just replaced the type of income that they were creating. What I see happen time and time again is we choose a client. Right, so this is client one. We choose a client and we put in tons of effort up here, but the results are kind of waning. That's what tends to happen. I'll do it in red actually because it's kind of waning. And this gap between them is basically why you feel so demotivated, because you're putting in the time, you're putting in the effort, you're doing all the work, you're working 7 days a week, and you don't get results. The client is then annoyed. You are then annoyed. And typically, right, how often have these clients also been a bit of a nightmare to work with? There's a really unhappy face, right? So instead, what I want us to do is with client two, I want us to do way less effort, but for the results to be the other way around. I want the results that we get to be higher than the amount of effort that we put in. And that's following this methodology. And what's interesting is it's got nothing to do with your level of work. It's to do with this bit here. So let me take you through that. So an ideal business would be for us to regularly find clients, for us to work less, for us to pull in a six-figure business, for us to get great results for our clients, and we would also want to generate some kind of recurring revenue. So if we can so in order for us to find clients, what we need to do is basically get results. Once we can start getting great results for one client, we can do that with the next client. Once we've got it for two clients, we can do it for a third, and so on and so forth. If we want to work less, we need something that's repeatable and that works. When you start to put in a blueprint into place, everything else starts to become much easier because your scales of efficiency go up, right? That's what making money is all about, is basically about scales of efficiency. If you want to do $100,000 a year plus, let's set a price for $25,000. Even if you've never charged anything like that, that doesn't matter, because if the client is getting $100,000 a year out, even if it's just 1 year, 25K is a decent enough sum for them to pay. In order for us to get results, we need to qualify our clients. Okay, this is critical. And if we want to start doing 10K monthly recurring revenue, I would suggest setting the price at $2,000 per month to work with them. Now, if we look at some of these numbers, this is now telling you the type of business that you need to start running. So when we look at something like this, most of us want to end up here. We want to end up with over 6 figures in revenue. We want to have $100,000, $150,000. We want to be working 3 to 4 days a week. And we want a $10,000 at least a month recurring revenue. Something else I'm going to add in here is you can do all of this with 4 to 6 clients. So I want you to imagine how much you're working now and imagine how much easier it would be when you're only working with 4 to 6. Now, the problem is that in the middle, you are blocked by 3 core components. First of all, you haven't got enough time. You believe that if you put more time into your campaigns, they'd get more results. If they get more results, your clients would be happier. They'd be willing to spend more money. You also are essentially building the wrong campaigns. Now, this isn't your fault. There's a few reasons for this. First of all, it's become very trendy for people online to start like sharing all the kind of campaigns and funnels and stuff that they use. It's a bit like me buying the same golf clubs that Tiger Woods uses and expecting to be able to play as good as him. It's simply not going to happen. And here's the most important part that hopefully you would have caught earlier. Your clients suck. You are working with the wrong clients, because most likely you're here at the moment. You're under $100,000 a year, or you're working extremely hard for it. You're working 7 days a week. You're stressed. You've got unhappy clients and clients that make you unhappy, and you're not getting the results that you want. And so what we can do instead is build a really simple 3-part process that will help us get over here. So the first thing we have to do is qualify. If you start working with the right type of client, it matters less the types of campaigns that you use. This is really, really critical. If you start working with the right type of client, and I can show you that using our $1 million client formula. The next thing is the right type of campaign. When you start using the right campaign with the right client, everything else becomes exponentially easier. The right message to the right audience, even if the advert is really ugly, will always convert higher than the very most beautiful page and beautiful advert to the wrong client or to the wrong message. And then finally, there's an element of selling and delivery on your side that needs to be much more scalable and much easier. If I was able to show you how you could qualify those clients, the types of campaigns that we send for our clients and for our own businesses, as well as how we sell and deliver them, hopefully you can begin to see how this could change your business. So what I have opened up is a program called $100,000 Funnels, the bulk of which is basically trying to teach you how to sell and deliver $100,000 funnels. No matter your experience, no matter how kind of results you've got before, no matter the type of clients you work with, no matter the type of marketing that you do, if you do marketing for other people and you want to learn how to create $100,000 worth of results for your clients, then you need to buy $100,000 funnels. At the moment, we're only keeping the numbers very, very limited because this is a brand new community, a brand new program. It is going to be running with a few calls. We're going to have calls. We've got a message board where you can contact me and other members of the funnel team. If I was able to give you all of this over a period of 4 months, week by week, break it down into really small little steps so that you knew exactly what you were delivering to each client, you're able to find them, close them, sell them, deliver the work to them, deliver the results, all of this in a row over a period of 14 months with support. I'd be really interested to hear what you think the price is. If you are interested, just email me, michael@sellyourservice. I'll put the email address below as well, .co.uk. And just put something like $100,000 funnels in the whatever it's called subject line, and we'll get back to you and help you get set up. I'd love to hear. Tell you what, tell me what you think the price would be for something like this, and then email me back. In the meantime, guys, thank you so much for watching. I will see you on another video, and yeah, have courage, commit, and take action. Bye, guys.